好 and now you just said you know how to say 你好吗？我很好。Actually, I write here. This is a sentence pattern in Chinese. It's very important. Oh, sorry. It's 你好吗 and 我很好。So 你好 in Chinese, hello. 你 means you, and 好 means good. Ma is just a question word. We put at the end of the sentence to raise a yes or no question. And for Chinese, for your answer, you can say I very good. So in Chinese, actually, we do not have is in this. You do not need to say is or are or am. How? Okay, I'll write here. This is the subject, and this is 很. This is how. This is adverb, adjective. So just one point you need to pay attention to. In Chinese, you always say 很, although 很 means very, but in Chinese, you just say it like a normal way in the positive sentence. You do not mean I'm very good, I just mean I'm good. If I want to say I'm very good, I will say 我很好. We will stress 很. Okay, so now you just learn the word how to say hungry. Do you still remember? It's done. How I write here. That's right. Huh? Okay, so if I ask you 你饿吗? Can you try to answer me? So you hungry? Yes or no? So are you hungry? That's right. That's right. In Chinese, we put yes or no at the end of the sentence. But this one, they are stay the same. This structure. Okay, can you try to answer me? Are you hungry? 你饿吗?没有 actually is for haven't, have, not, haven't. Those have. But in Chinese, you have one word. If you want to say a negative sentence, you will put a word after. You will just say this one. Right here. 我不饿. Here. This is means no. Mm-hmm. 我不饿. That's right. So for the negative, I'm not hungry. That's right. This means no or don't or aren't or not. After here, so this is a subject. And here is just yeah. 对 Yes. Now I will ask you again. So maybe you can try to answer me in Chinese. So Brandon, 你饿吗? Can you try to ask me? Actually, my answer will be 我很饿. I'm hungry. No, very hungry because I didn't had my lunch yet. 好 okay, so now you see this is we can just for this sentence structure you can just change the adjective, and I think maybe the most do you know how to say beautiful in Chinese?好, I will tell you, because I think it's very important for you to tell your girlfriend. 好，美 that's right. 好 so I will ask you, do you know how to say she in Chinese, she or he? Okay, I will write here. So this is you and this is I, and she and he in Chinese they share the same pronunciation. 他 here, 他 that's right. So it's one word. The pronunciation the same, but they have different Chinese characters. Yeah. So now I will ask you for your girlfriend. I will say, point at your girlfriend. I will say, 她美吗? Oh no, it's not a question. You do not need to put ma at the end of the sentence. And can you try to answer me again? 是，真的是。Can you say the whole sentence? I need to use to say whole sentence for practice. She's beautiful, or she's very beautiful. 她很 That's right. This is the correct answer to answer if your girlfriend beautiful or not. 好 okay, so for this structure. Correct, correct. Okay, so for this structure, do you have any questions? No? Okay, so I will ask you the questions again. So let's practice more. Make more practice. First of all, I will ask you. 你好吗 Brandon? Yeah. And now point at your girlfriend. I will say, 她好吗? But I'm asking you, is she good? Not asking you, is she beautiful? 好 ask you again. So, 她好吗? Oh, 她对好 and I'm asking you, 你饿吗? Ma. Yeah. And for your answer, you say I'm not hungry or I'm hungry. Well, first of the subject is I. How to say I? And don't or not? 对 Pay attention to the pronunciation. It's the last tone. Mm-hmm. That's right. 好 The most important question. First, ask your girlfriend and will say, 她美吗? That's right. Uh-huh. How to say beautiful? That's right. And actually, in Chinese, for this word, it's just a language habit. So you can say it or not say it. If I want to say I'm fine, you can say 我好. And if you want to say she's beautiful, you can say 她美. But with this word, it's more local. Mm-hmm. That's right. You can say that. That's right. Because in Chinese, for this sentence structure, for the E, it's already embedded in the adjective, so you do not need to say it anymore. 好 Okay. For this, any questions? The last practice. Okay. I will erase all the notes in the blackboard now. And I give you 1 minute to remember all of them, and you will do a conversation without any notes. That's right. Now it's your minutes. I'm start counting. You have 10 seconds left. Okay, are you ready? What's the task here? How to say, is she beautiful in Chinese? Is. Right. Okay, so I will erase all of that. Okay. So now I will ask you. Take it easy. Take a deep breath. So, Brandon, 你好吗? Okay. Point at your girlfriend. 她好吗? Uh-huh. 她好吗? Yes. So, are you good? It's 你好吗? And is she good? 她好吗? Yeah. Mm-hmm. That's right. Can you try to answer me? You can just say that. 好。好 ，OK。Next question. Brandon， 你饿吗？你饿吗？Do you still remember what's the meaning of 饿？And for your answer? I'm asking, are you hungry? 你饿吗？Chinese we say 穿。And first, remember the subject. You need to say the subject first. Subject. How to say I? Oh, how to say I? That's right. And how to say? That's right. Yes, I just say I'm hungry. That's right. Okay. The last question, the most important question. Please ask your girlfriend. 她美吗？I think this question and for this answer is the most fluent answer of you. That's right. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Leave your comments below to tell us what topics you want to learn next. Don't forget to click down below to subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time. 再见。